Toycon organizers. So for when it comes to merchandises, there are a lot of varieties. So and in the toys, are there any specific line of merchandise that you sell in Toycon?
Okay,
Oh.
very good question. Uh, we were able to get in touch with one supplier from
Supplier from
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
He's gonna bring in sort of a very cute toy. I'm gonna post it sa website natin. That's one. We're still working with other toy designer groups from Thailand, and I forgot the other one. But definitely, we're working on that. But I'm sure yung sa Malaysia, it's a giraffe toy na very cute. At the same time, memory stick siya.
Yeah.
Right? Another one is, we're gonna come out. Remember 2 years ago, yung Funko, naglabas tayo ng Tony Stark? Remember? Magkano yun that time when that was released? 450 pesos, right? Now it's more than 100 dollars, right? So nag-appreciate siya. This year, it plans to go through my exclusive figure tayo from Funko again.
Okay.
This time, yung character sa Grimm, remember, sino yung Filipino character na nilabas sa Grimm series? If you remember, yung Aswang.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's right.
So we're officially announcing kung aabot siya, we will be having that as an exclusive figure. That dito lang muna ilalabas yan sa atin as usual.
Okay.
Right? So far those two exclusive, but of course we will be having a lot of exclusive figures. Like Great Toys is coming out with figures from Japan. Will be also exclusively sold during the Toycon. So kung ano yung mga specifics, to follow yung mga announcement namin kung ano yun. And syempre, usual, nandun yung mga hard to find toys and anything goes, basta mga licensed products sila naman ang ipalaw namin ipabenta. Right? So, any more questions on that?
Thank you.
So come to Toycon early. Kasi marami kami freebies, maniwala kayo. By the way, press and media, buti nandito kayo. You're lucky because we're giving out, before we end the press conference, we're giving out a Man of Steel statue to one of you guys.
Yeah, we'll have a raffle.
Mag-raffle. Lahat kayo may raffle stubs, di ba?
May Maxi Collector
So,
ba to?
Maxi Collector donated a statue for you guys. Pero, it's a sideshow 14-inch Man of Steel statue. So, if you have your raffle stubs, hold on to it because we're giving that out along with other prizes, okay?
We have five. We will have 5 winners, but one will win that statue.
We'll win the
Yun yung grand
statue
prize.
from
The
Maxi
other 4 will
Collector.
have minor prizes for them.
Parang hindi kayo excited.
But of course, I think iFlix also gave them 1 month free subscription.
Ooh.
Is that right, Sherwin? I think the press were given 1 month subscription. Is that right? Okay, so I think everybody were given. So that is with their press kits. Sino ba nakatry ng iFlix dito?
Yeah.
Wala. Nanonood ako palagi ng movie. Okay, so one last question. Otherwise, I'll ask a question to wrap things up. Okay,
One
announce ko
last?
pala, no?
Okay.
Welcome naman din kami doon sa mga bands na gusto mag-perform din sa Toycon. So, kung may mga kakilala din kayo na want to perform or want to showcase their talents, they can email
Contact
us,
us, yeah.
yung profile nila and sample nila. Then, kami na bahala. We will add them sa show namin. And take note, yung mga nagpe-perform sa Toycon, kadalasan sumisikat. Talagang,
Ito yun.
talagang yung Toycon kasi nagiging
Venue for...
venue. Tsaka stepping stone na rin din nila for
show
yung talent nila.
business.
So natutuwa naman kami na every year, marami rin nagpo-volunteer. May banda ako, nandito ako. Isa nga gusto niyang kumakain daw siya ng bubog, gano'n. So, ini-screen din namin yan kung ano yung wholesome, kung ano yung hindi. So, inaalis namin yung mga hindi wholesome. So, maraming attempts na gustong gamitin yung Toycon para sa kanilang talent. Pero, yun nga, welcome naman kami, pero siyempre, kailangan cater sa lahat. So, kung may mga kakilala kayo, sabihin nyo lang, and then add nyo na lang sa news about our plan. Usually, alam niyo naman yun every year. Nag-showcase kami ng mga fresh talents. So, since wala pa naman June, so marami pa naman time to invite them. I also, one of showcase din namin, binalik pala namin yung fan film contest namin sa Toy.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And this will be sponsored by iFlex. And dun sa mga gustong maging filmmaker or expert na kayo dyan sa pag-filmmaking or meron kayong idea or concept in producing a fan film, showcase for example, paglalabanan mo yung DC characters in Marvel in a short film, pwede yun. Basta wala tayong sisiraing rules kasi meron kaming mechanics na nakapost sa website. And I guess yung winners yata, I think mapipicture na sa iFlex para
That's right.
So,
As long as it's current iFlix content, is that right, Joel? Okay.
So, tsaka meron din kaming yung Toycon Aftermath contest. Napapansin ko kasi maraming gumagawa ng mga aftermath videos. Si Ray Maru, si Chad, one of the best creator